The portable power station 1000W solar generator has quickly become an indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and emergency preparedness advocates. As we dive into the specifics of this product, I'll outline its features, performance, and overall value proposition to help you determine if this power station is the right fit for your needs. Design and build quality. One of the most striking aspects of the portable power station 1000W is its compact and sturdy design. Weighing in at around 22 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and power capability. The casing is made from durable, high-quality plastic that feels robust enough to withstand rough handling during outdoor trips. The ergonomic handle allows for easy transport, making it a viable option for camping, tailgating, or even as a backup power source for emergencies at home. Power capacity and output. With a capacity of 1000 W, this solar generator is capable of powering a wide variety of devices. It features multiple output options, including 3 AC outlets, 120V, 2 USB-A ports, and a DC car port. This flexibility is one of its standout features, allowing you to charge or run devices ranging from smartphones and laptops to small appliances like mini fridges and electric grills. The generator's built-in pure sine wave inverter ensures clean power, which is critical for sensitive electronics. Unlike modified sine wave inverters, which can potentially damage delicate devices, the pure sine wave output provides a stable voltage and frequency, making it suitable for all types of gadgets. Solar charging capability. One of the most appealing aspects of this portable power station is its solar charging capability. It can be charged via solar panels, allowing you to harness renewable energy while off-grid. The solar input supports a maximum of 120 W, and on a sunny day, you can expect to fully charge the unit within 8 to 10 hours. This feature makes it a great choice for long-term camping trips where access to traditional power sources is limited. However, it's worth noting that purchasing solar panels is an additional investment, and not included with the unit. Battery performance. Equipped with a lithium-ion battery, the portable power station 1000W boasts impressive battery management that ensures longevity and safety. The battery offers around 1000 Wh capacity, which can power a laptop for approximately 12 to 15 charges or run a small refrigerator for several hours. The unit's battery management system, BMS, protects against overcharging, overheating, and short-circuiting, enhancing safety during use. User interface and portability. The user interface is straightforward, featuring an LCD screen that displays essential information such as battery percentage, output wattage, and input wattage. This allows users to monitor their power consumption and make informed decisions about what devices to power. The buttons are clearly labeled, making it easy for anyone to operate, regardless of technical expertise. Noise level. Unlike traditional gas generators, this solar generator operates quietly, producing little to no noise, which is a significant advantage for camping and other outdoor activities. The absence of fumes also adds to its appeal, making it a safer choice for indoor use during emergencies. Drawbacks. While the portable power station 1000W has numerous strengths, it is essential to consider its limitations. The 1000W output might not be sufficient for larger appliances or multiple high-wattage devices running simultaneously, such as power tools or electric stoves. Users should carefully assess their power needs and ensure they do not exceed the generator's capacity. Additionally, while the solar charging capability is a significant advantage, it does require investing in solar panels, which may increase the overall cost for those looking to utilize this feature fully. Conclusion. In summary, the portable power station 1000W solar generator is an excellent investment for anyone seeking a reliable power source for outdoor adventures, road trips, or emergency situations. Its robust design, multiple output options, and clean power output make it versatile and user-friendly. While it may not meet the needs of users requiring high wattage for extensive appliances, its